luxury SUV bug has bitten its share of automakers in recent years. Up to now, Rolls-Royce has been an exception, but come 2018 and the British automaker launched its very own people hauler. Better late than never, Rolls-Royce. News of Rolls' interest in developing a luxury SUV came to light in 2015, when Rolls-Royce was already working on a brand new platform for the Phantom sedan. As expected, the SUV is based on the same underpinnings and shares many styling cues and features with the luxury four-door. Although Rolls-Royce has no history with SUVs, the company cited vehicles from the past which have been successful in events such as the Scottish Reliability Trials and the Alpine Trials, and had the ability to carry their owners over challenging terrain with absolute reliability and comfort in Australia, India, and other parts of the world. On top of being Rolls-Royce's first ever SUV, the Cullinan also introduces many new technologies to the brand, including all-wheel drive, an off-road driving mode, and a suspension that actively extends the dampers to keep every wheel on the ground in rough terrain. The SUV's true purpose is to challenge the Bentley Bentayga, but how does the Cullinan compare to its British rival? Let's find out in the review below. As hinted by the prototypes spotted on public roads since 2017, the Cullinan is pretty much a Phantom with a wagon rear end and higher ground clearance. The SUV is not exactly original design-wise, but it benefits greatly from the fact that the latest generation Phantom is still fresh. Not surprisingly, the Cullinan's cabin is almost identical to the new Phantom 8. Although it's been spotted on roads since early 2016, it took more than a year for Rolls-Royce to have the interior ready and for our paparazzi to snap a few shots of the interior. And not surprisingly, the Cullinan's cabin is almost identical to the new Phantom 8. Though most elements are still hidden from sight, it's pretty obvious that it shares almost everything with the sedan. So expect the same massive dashboard with the big infotainment display in the middle, a wide and tall center console, and big AC vents atop the controls in the center stack. There are a few changes though, with the center section of the console featuring a more conventional layout. A lot may change in this department before this SUV goes into production, but knowing Rolls-Royce, a V12 power plant is very likely. The Brits will most likely go with the Ghost's twin-turbo, 6.6-liter mill, which should receive an extensive update before then, as well as the already familiar 8-speed, ZF automatic transmission. I expect the combo to send in excess of 600 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque to the wheels, to make the SUV the second most powerful Rolls-Royce after the Wraith. The Bentley Bentayga might be the world's most expensive SUV in 2017, but it will most certainly lose that title as soon as Rolls-Royce's hauler becomes a reality. At around $230,000, the Bentayga will be somewhat of a bargain compared to the $350,000 Rolls-Royce is likely to ask for its SUV. This figure is only speculation, but I don't see Rolls-Royce placing it below the Ghost sticker, which is set at around $250,000. Thanks for watching.